Talking about sports.
Hi, Brian. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Oh, nice. Do you play often?
Yes, 3 times a week with my friends.
That's cool. I play basketball.
Really? I'm not good at basketball.
Haha, that's okay. What's your favorite team?
AC Milan. And you?
New York Knicks. I like watching NBA games.
Sports are fun and healthy.
Talking about festivals.
Hi, Brian. Are you excited for the festival?
Yes, I love festivals.
What's your favorite part?
Fireworks at night.
Oh, yes. They are beautiful.
And also the food stalls.
Yummy. I like sweets at festivals.
Same here. Do you go with family or friends?
With both. It's more fun together.
Yes, festivals are about joy and sharing. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I want a burger.
Okay. Do you want fries with that?
Yes, please. And a cola.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
Perfect. I'm so hungry.
Talking about hobbies.
Hi, Sam. What are you doing today?
Hi, Sarah. Nothing much. I'm just reading a book.
Oh, nice. Do you like reading?
Yes. I love adventure stories.
Cool. I like adventure movies more than books.
Haha. That's okay. What is your hobby?
I like drawing. I can draw animals and flowers.
Wow, you must be very creative.
Thank you. Do you draw, too?
No, I can't draw, but I play football.
Oh, you play football. Do you play every day?
I play 3 times a week with my friends.
That sounds fun. Are you good at it?
I think so. I play as a goalkeeper.
Oh, that's important. Do you have a favorite player?
Yes, I like Cristiano Ronaldo.
Nice. All world love him.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like music. I play the piano.
Really? That's amazing. How long have you played?
For 2 years, but I'm still learning.
I want to hear you play one day.
Sure. Can play a simple song for you.
Great. And maybe I can teach you football.
Haha, deal. You teach me football and I play piano for you.
Perfect exchange.
Do you like singing?
I sing but very badly.
Same. My family tells me to stop singing at home.
But singing is fun even if we're not good. The supermarket.
Hi, Peter. What are you doing here?
Hi, Sophia. I'm shopping for food.
Oh, me too. What are you buying?
Some apples, bread, and milk.
Yummy. I love apples.
Yes, they are sweet and healthy.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but usually my mom cooks.
Same here. My mom is a great cook.
What is your favorite food?
Chicken fry. I can eat it every day.
Me too. Chicken fry is the best.
Talking about school.
Hey Nancy, how was school today?
Hi, Tom. It was good. We had English class.
Oh, do you like English?
Yes, but grammar is headache.
Haha, I agree. What about math?
Math is okay. My teacher is very nice.
Lucky you. My math teacher gives too much homework.
Oh no. What subjects do you like?
I like history. I enjoy learning about the past.
That's cool. I like science experiments.
Weekend plans.
Hey Nancy, what are you doing this weekend?
Hi, William. On Saturday, I'm going to the park.
Nice. With friends?
Yes, with Anna and Kate. We will have a picnic.
Sounds fun. What will you eat?
Sandwiches and fruit and maybe some cake.
Yum. I love cake. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'll stay home and watch a movie.
Good idea. I want to watch a movie, too. Talking about the weather.
Hi, Alex. The sun is so hot today.
Yes, it feels like summer already.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I prefer cold days.
Oh, I love summer. I can eat ice cream every day.
Huh, true. But in winter, we can drink hot chocolate.
What's your favorite season?
Winter. I like snow.
Mine is spring. Flowers look so beautiful.
Huh, true. But in winter, we can drink hot chocolate.